Hi guys, it's Ame. Today we are unboxing these two Hot Wheels cars. First up, let's unbox this Hot Wheels color of 1964 Lincoln Continental in green with gold wheels from Islam 55. And this is a Dollar General exclusive with 246 out of 250. Get low with the stylish ground hugging rides. There's a Ford Motor Company trademark. Let's unbox this car. Front, we have gold bumper, passenger side, rear, driver side, and roof. And the code says S36. That's the code. Let's unbox this Hot Wheels color. Is 2023 Nissan Z, a Kroger exclusive from SWJ Imports 310 with 46 out of 250. A dream collection of Japanese domestic market vehicles, and there's a Nissan Motor Corporation trademark. Let's unbox this car. Front, we have no detail, passenger side, rear, driver side, and roof with black roof. And the code says S19. That's the code. Okay, be sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more videos. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.